welcome to Fabric by Singhania. If you guys are still looking for nice co-ord sets and dresses inspo, we've got the perfect set of raw silk digital printed fabric for you. So let me show you. Starting with this light green shade of raw silk digital printed fabric. This is very unique and exclusive in our store, and all of these colors that you see in our raw silk are very difficult to find and very difficult to dye too. But we've got beautiful digitally printed and very nice vibrant shades. You can take a look at the floral work that has been done across it in a very gorgeous way. All of this has really vibrant colors, and the neutral base tone makes it look perfect. Now this raw silk digital would be perfect to customize into a nice co-ord set or any kind of kurti or tunic. Now this raw silk digital printed fabric that you see here, it's got beautiful shades of violet and purple color all over the fabric. As you can take a look, it's got this really nice traditional almost temple style kind of digital print all across this fabric, making it look very unique and different from the other raw silks. Now this would be perfect to customize into a workwear kurta or a kurti, or even if you want to create a suit set or dupatta, this kind of raw silk digital printed fabric would be ideal for it. As I had shown you a really nice lime greenish yellow shade of raw silk digital print, we've got another really nice shade in this raw silk, which is a beautiful blush tone of raw silk digital. All over this you can see there's a similar vibrant digital pattern done in floral work. Now this too would be perfect to recreate into a nice dress for yourself, or if you want to twin with your daughter, or you want to create a beautiful frock for kids wear too. This kind of raw silk digital would look really good because it's both textured and the digital print makes it look very unique and modern too. So to know more about the customizations and how you can create these fabrics into outfits, you can comment below and we'll tell you all the details. Now this shade that you see over here is a very nice bright baby pink color of raw silk digital print. This is new and exclusive in our store. We've got a really nice shade of blue color too in this raw silk digital print. Now as you take a look at the floral work that has been done, it's a nice yellow floral work. All of this is just perfect to create any kind of kurtis, dresses, or even if you want to create a nice blouse for any kind of sarees you want to match with this kind of pink shade, this fabric would be ideal for it. So if you guys want to know more about our collection, you can visit our website as well or follow us on our social media channels. Now this raw silk that you see is in a really gorgeous shade of wine color. This would be perfect and ideal in this monsoon season if you're going for something more vibrant yet dark, because it's a really rich and vibrant tone of wine shade, which is perfect with all of this digital print that you see on it. It's very nicely done in a nice watercolor kind of floral work across this fabric, making it look very unique and different, and this would be perfect to recreate into a nice kurti, or if you want to create a short top or tunic. This kind of fabric would be perfectly customized into that. We've got great shades, very nice vibrant shades in raw silk digital print. So if you guys want to know more, you can visit us at Banjara Hills Road number 1. In a really nice and rich tone of blue color, we've got this beautiful raw silk fabric. It's quite textured and it's perfect because it's both lightweight yet it is textured. So this gives a really nice look if you're going for something for your workwear and you want to customize outfits, or for your vacation if you want to create a nice co-ord set. These bright colors would be perfect and ideal for it. So you've got this nice blue shade of raw silk digital print here in front of you, and all over this you can see a nice English rose that has been printed across it, making it look very different. And you can see that the contrast of pastel and vibrant makes it look very unique from the other fabrics, perfect to recreate any menswear outfit or women's wear outfit. As you guys had seen earlier, I've shown you something quite similar to this raw silk fabric that you see. We've got another really nice shade, very different yet it is quite similar as well. You can take a look at the violet and purple shades. Now if you wanted to create a nice twinning outfit, those two shades would be perfectly matched. You can create nice sleeveless kurtis, or you can create an A-line kurti with it, and it would look really ideal. Even creating a nice short top or tunic with this kind of raw silk digital print would be perfect. And if you want to know more about our customizations, we've got a great set of designers here at Fabric by Singhania that will assist you. Now if you're looking for a nice couple outfit, this kind of fabric would be perfect because I've shown you a really great shade of wine color before in raw silk digital, and now we've got this really nice neutral base tone kind of color, which would be perfect to create any menswear kurta. And these vibrant shades of watercolor kind of digital print floral work also makes it very unique. So these vibrant shades under this nice base tone would be perfect to create a menswear kurta, or if you want to create a nice couple outfit, or if you want to customize this into a blouse piece. There are many things that you can recreate with this kind of raw silk digital print for casual wear or work wear too. Now, if you take a look at this gorgeous shade of royal blue raw silk digital print, this would be ideal to create a nice tunic, a short kurti, or if you want to create any casual wear outfits, this kind of fabric would be perfect. Now, the textured raw silk gives a really rich and authentic look, and all of the digital print gives a vibrant and modern look. The blend of both these things makes it look really different and unique. You can take a look at the base color of a nice dark shade and all of this floral print that has been come all over this raw silk digital print, making it look very unique and different. If you guys want to see more of these collections, you can visit our website at Fabric by Singhania. Now, this one that you see over here is a really nice shade of almost dark purple violetish shade. Now, this is a great blend of color, and the minimal digital print that has been done across it, a nice mauve dull color shade, makes it look very unique and ideal if you want to create a very minimal kind of outfit, be it a cord set, a short tunic, any kind of pants. This kind of fabric would really give you that touch, and it would be very unique in your wardrobe too. So if you guys want to know how much fabrics you require or what is the pricing of these fabrics, you can comment below and our assistants will be there to assist you. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, hit like and comment for any more details. Subscribe to our channel and follow us on all of our social media page. If you have any more queries, you can visit us at Banjara Hills Road number 1.